Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to add or remove Magnifier Shortcut to Control Center on iPhone. So first what you want to do, let's go to your settings, and if I scroll down to my Control Center right here, you can see that I don't have the magnifier button right there. And to do that, to add it right there, you just need to go to the Control Center and just scroll down here till you find the magnifier option right here. So just click on the plus sign to automatically add it. So as you can see, I have now added here on my included controls, and if I want to remove it, just like so, I just need to click on the remove button on the left side of it. First I'm going to show you that I have it now on my control center. If you want to remove it, click on the remove sign and just click on the remove button. That's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.